How you guys doing? This is going to be very important in reference to future acknowledgments too. There's going to be more court cases against these people that try to control people in their houses, trying to control people on their jobs in reference to just playing robot torture games or torture tracking. There's going to be a lot of court cases in reference to those types of activities. And in reference to satellite controllers and their games of trying to torture people that smoke cigarettes and damaging people's teeth. Cigarettes are a legal product in America. The satellite controllers trying to steal monies, trying to steal property, trying to steal estates, trying to control a person's life, slandering a person's character. Those people that have tried to play their game bullying me. There has to be court cases in reference to that. And some of those people can get put on trial for execution. The satellite man's been hitting me in the teeth. They've been hitting me in the mouth. My teeth are documented. My family history is documented. The person that is doing it must get put on trial for legal 100% execution death penalty. They might survive the death penalty by going to prison for the rest of their fucking lives. If they ever get out of prison, based on court proceedings, they must be apprehended. Just in case somebody tries to fake their identity and tries to get out of prison. You know, some of these people that have been burning me with satellites are people that went to prison back in the 70s. Some of them are people that went to prison in the 80s. Some of them were probably people that went to prison in the 90s, these satellite controllers. This person that's been hitting me in the teeth, damaging my teeth, and they've been making up lies. The Treasury has had documentation of my x-rays and my teeth since I was little. This man trying to steal my identity, physically assaulting me and damaging my teeth. And this man claiming he thought he had some type of status in America where he's trying to steal my freedom and my life. That man needs to be put in court, and that man must be put on trial for execution. That is one of the men that murdered my father. One of the men that murdered my mother. This man seems to think he could just exaggerate some type of fucking political status that doesn't exist in the factual world of American politics or American law, where they thought that they could invade people's houses and be burning people with satellites and smacking people in their mouth and teeth with satellite microwaves and illegal handheld lasers. Just because you're using some title of some branch of government doesn't make you God in America. Do you understand that, government man? You think somebody's messing with you, don't you? You think somebody's feeding you a bunch of bullshit. You think somebody's making up lies. Obviously, you don't know the fucking laws in this country, government man. And you need to get put on trial for execution or life in prison. You need to know what kind of credentials you think you got in this country, man. This is my real face, my real teeth. I have purple blood since the day I was born. Your activities of damaging my teeth, government man. You violated years of perfect dentistry, 100% real, perfect teeth, all perfectly sized, acknowledgments, natural, and you damaged them. And you're violating term limits of the American government. You are still using satellites, and you've been violating my life with illegal satellites, claiming you thought you outranked me and my family history and my international relations in America, government man. You're going to need to go into court, freak. You need to go into court. Don't ever forget it. You're violating the laws. You need to surrender your activities so they can put you on trial. You've caused years of abuse and years of damage, and you need to get prosecuted for your crimes. And I have not received any compensation of any kind in reference to these people's abuses.